everybody, welcome back. So we're out today collecting sap. We got the big huge sap bucket here that we use to store all of our sap in. We got our special guest slash camera operator. Yeah, so let's collect some sap. All right, swapping out. Oh boy, look at that. That is all kinds in there. Yeah. A lot of it's frozen. Perfect. All right. Let's go over to the other one over here. Let's see what's in this one. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, on to the next one. All right, what have we got in here? Oh, we don't have much in that one. And there's a lot of ice in there. I think we'll leave that for right now. We ready to go? Okay. Here's the next spot. In this one.
Really?
Oh yeah, all kinds in there.
Let me see.
Oh yeah. All right, let's go put that in the bucket. Whoa! There's some rotten water in there, haven't we?
Oh, there's some running. Stripping.
Nope, hardly anything in that. That did not start. Too much snow around it, so it didn't start running for a while. All right, let's see. Oh, we got here? Yeah, a little bit.
Decent.
Decent. We'll dump it out. These trees must not have started until later. Okay. All right, everybody. So there we are. Collected some sap. Here's the bucket. So we got about 10 gallons based on the gauge on the side of this tank, and we got a bucket full of sap ice. Not the best start we've had in recent years, but better than nothing. So let's. But that's about it for us for today. So we'll wait for the other buckets to collect more sap, and we'll let you know when we get more. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And next time, we'll show you what else we get. Bye.